This is my Colombian apartment that I've been in for the last 5 months here in Medellin. It costs just under $300, around $290, $280. And if you pay in advance for months, you can get it for even less. The only thing it doesn't have is a view. So if you can see, the view is literally just looking straight into my other room over there. When I tell people I have this place for $290, they're all like, what? How did you do that? How did you do that? To give you guys a secret, this is a place that I found on Facebook Marketplace personally. Don't need a guarantor. I did not pay deposits. Literally just month by month. 4 months I paid by bank transfer through Medellin Colombia, but then also 1 month I paid in straight cash. Now, how do you get something like this without getting scammed? So me personally, I came to see this apartment before I paid anything. So I came to see it, I walked inside, I looked around, then I gave them about 100,000 Colombian pesos, which is around $25, $28, to just secure the place for a week. And I moved in and everything was fine. I have a hot shower, I have a fan, I have Wi-Fi that is reliable. And compared to my first place, I was paying double for something which had a view, but that's it. In every other sense, it was the same. Actually, also one other thing. I also don't have a doorman here, so it's kind of just me and my trust in that door, which is fine. The door's very, very thick. There is one more downside. In this building, I don't want to be too obvious, but on the first floor, there's literally a brothel, like a straight up brothel. Now, for some people, that's an upside, but for me, it's kind of a downside. They're really loud a lot of the time, not just with the noises, but also with music. They just have no respect, and they're always playing music. But so do I sometimes. I play a lot of music, I can't lie. I mean, I got kind of almost kicked out of my first apartment for playing music, so I can't blame them. Something that can be annoying sometimes is that this is a gas cooker. This is connected to like a gas tank thing, which has to be refilled, but only around every 3 months, which isn't bad. And also, I don't want to keep buying lighters, so I bought this taser, and I literally just use this taser now. And it's really loud, but just kind of go like that, bang, and it lights up. So I haven't actually had to use this taser for self-defense. I kind of just use it to light a fire in the gas. Oh, another thing, there are cockroaches in this apartment, which in my first apartment in Poblado, there was no such thing. And they fumigate, like they literally yesterday, 2 ladies came over and fumigated, and there's still cockroaches. The agency behind this apartment, I thought I'm leaving Airbnb, I'm leaving safety. The agency behind this apartment is amazing. I'm talking like my hot shower is a bit too hot. The same day they send someone who completely fixes it and actually fixed the problem that I wasn't even going to ask them about, which the tap was kind of a bit hard to push. When I came in, I said I needed a frying pan. They bring me a frying pan straight away. They bring me a fan straight away. And I am making this video a bit late because, and I always do this, I'm moving out. Today, I'm going to Bucaramanga for good. Personally, I'm leaving Medellin for good. I'm not going to be coming back to Medellin. If I like Bucaramanga, I'll stay there. If I don't, I'll go to Bogota, and then I'm going to go home after that. Why am I going to Bucaramanga, you might ask? I'm looking for something more local. Medellin, I kind of found that because there's so much to do here, I don't work as much as I'd like. And I get carried away. I end up partying too much. I've kind of stopped, but either way, I just want to put myself in an atmosphere where everything's more calm. Medellin girls are not really where it's at for me. My 6 months in Medellin has been crazy. I feel like I've lived a lifetime of about 3 years in the UK. The amount of things I've done, the amount of places I've been, the amount of experiences I've went through that changed my view on certain things, it's just a lot. It's time to say goodbye to Medellin, goodbye to the paisas. I did, by the way, reset my visa. I went to Mexico for New Year's for a week. I came back and I got my visa reset. Though immigration did actually ask me about how I was going to support myself and how much money I had, which was weird. I'll see you guys there in Bucaramanga, but for now, I'm going to the airport.